Part of your life, the thing. What I feel like, the thing. Yeah, be a split to me, dog. Wouldn't mind you tell all down here for add me. Cause him say a lie me I tell, bro. Him the over there beat me down. This a one thing with me charging. One thing with a youth here. I never tell lie on a girl when I fuck with yet. You see? Me prefer tell you say me not fuck it when I fuck it. But me never, me swear upon my life. Never. The girl that beside him, tell her to come on the life. Tell her to come on the life. So since I lie, me I tell. Hold on, father. Since I lie, me I tell. Bro, why that make sense me that fly out a girl? She sleep with me 3 fucking nights straight. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, I mean... Them a report my life. Bro. Man, alright, I'm gonna say something to him.
To my enemy, them can't swear.
Bad bitch pon the islands where you want go. Spend cash pon your pum pum, you me want you. Ask fat and hold tight tomorrow. Me no want this done fuck till tomorrow. Twerk for me, lift up your skirt, pretty girl. Go on mommy, get when you want for your world. Shake for me, slap up your ass, make it jerk. Painting it. Bad bitch pon the islands where you want go. Spend cash pon your pum pum, you me want you. Ask fat and hold tight tomorrow. Me no want this done fuck till tomorrow. Twerk for me, lift up your skirt, pretty girl. Go on mommy, get when you want for your world. Shake for me, slap up your ass, make it jerk. Painting it.
This a man here, I play a voice note upon the live. I'm willing to stay upon the live, make you add me and add your girl and ask her. Me never tell lie upon a woman yet, brother. I swear upon my life. And this is nothing for throw the girl under the bus. She's a good girl, brother. Is a good girl. I tell you, it's nothing for throw her. But that you they ever diss me up, bro. You see it, and she does me just attack and she get catchy night, brother. You see what I say? If you think I lie, me I tell you, so you come here and pick up for your woman, you not have to ask me if me have all the proof then. You know if you ask me, I me fly her in, yes bro. I me fly her in, I me pay for her ticket. I me fly her out back. The car where we rent, I pay her credit card rent it, and I pay her the money. I can show everything. You see it? And me fly her come to me, bro. Why would I fly out a girl come to me and not fuck with her? That makes sense there, bro? That makes sense there, father? Like, bro, you just there so make a fool of yourself, Chargy. Why you make a fool of yourself? Why would I fly out a girl? Fly her with me there? Bro, alright then. And if you want to talk it, figure it out the day. Figure it out, fly out for him, girl took her with us attack. Me and the dog there, I will fly out the two of them. The dog fly out a girl and me fly out she. And the two girl them they did it. When me a tell life, bro. Bro, stop come over here, come look like a fool. When they over here play a voice note. Me did have to apologize to the girl. Because me should get her in this. Because the girl tell me say she have a good relationship with his you and she don't want to mess it up. Yes what me I say? Me not cause you bro or fight you for your thing bro. But me just did a show. Me just said, me tell you when me did a prove bro. Cause me never did a prove say me and your girl are with even you. Me just said that prove say all everywhere where them a say me there with man is like them a tell. And me come show every picture where them show say and me and man me come prove it a while ago. And the reason why me prove it bro, me don't want nobody over here believe say yo this Batman thing bro, all you a call me fish bro, cause you know all believe. God boss cut me head. I swear me never tell a lie on a girl over here. Say me do nothing. God take my life. Me swear upon my mother life. Me swear upon Max life for me love. Me swear upon my nephew them life for me love. Me swear. Me swear upon my life. Me not tell a lie on a girl, bro. You see what I say? Top make people swear for you there, so I try this off for me over here play a voice note. Better you did love it alone, dog. You see, because me never had a pearl on it charging. Better you did love it alone, charging. Me nah, you see what I say? Better you did love it alone, brother. What me a tell life for? Me not, bro, me never yet and me can prove it, bro. Me can prove it. Better you did just text me and ask me for proof, bro. She never did that bad. We did like one another. We did a text, we video call, and we just did a getting a something. It's nobody when you say me I send money and send this. I send her the money to buy her ticket. And I send her a different money again because when we reach at the place, she rent a car with her credit card. So all them money there, them two money there where you see me send, it was for them there. You see what I say, bro? What's wrong with you, nigga? They over there lob off your mouth, bro, and a chat, bro. I want to tell you, if you feel like me, I know the same thing. You can't tell like a woman like one here. The girl big, and you know that them voice note there. The girl, me just send the girl them voice note there. Me can't show no. Me just send her them voice note there. Cause she have tell me say, Akeem, you're messing up my relationship. You see what me I say? And I'm say to her, say, I'm truly sorry about that be. Because them youth here mess with me and me talk to you and tell you, say, tell your man to leave me alone. Cause him always a pick me can, bro. He always a do it, brother. And me tell her, say, me text her about 2 months ago that, when the dog dey on my name. And me I say, yo, tell a nigga quit calling my name, bro. So you come there, so bro, and I play a voice note and a chat. Bro, listen to me, bro. Me no in anything, you know, bro. Yes, what me I say? I just prove my point, cause I'm tired like man, like uno, bro. I look down for my thing, bro, and I have this for say and that for say. You see it, and if they send me more light, I just saw it go. Cause me and him fly out 2 girls the same time. She and one other girl. Bro, I cause me a sickling and me a mid Rosie and no bro, me bill. Me did bad like dog. You don't know nothing about me, bro. I tell you, all I want to talk about, a lie you know I tell. And that's why I never pay on no mind, because I don't seek no validation. Yeah? I don't seek no validation for you, bossy boy. And that me I tell you no charge. I there so I do my own thing, bro. And the reason why I don't answer you, bro, I don't fear you in a youth. I don't fear you in a dog. I just not talk, bro. You see it, even figure it out where you say, yo, me no defend him, ask the dog. The dog can come live, can tell you no. Me no use me mouth and talk, bro. Ask the dog when me a defend him. I be a broke up boy and tab up boy and do them some evil thing for him. Ask him. So that's why when him a say that and I say, Aki no defend me, no. Me I say, bro, what kind of thought that, Jay? And you know how my defense system go. Say my thing is not no talking thing, bro. Me not depend on talking with no man. Ask him what man me mash up for him. Ask him. As they send nothing to him, ask him. Him can tell you that. Yes, what me I say? My thing is not no talking thing, bro. I mean I come over here and reason we don't know about nothing. You see it? I mean I need to prove nothing to you. Say me full of girl for validation for say you're Ray. The lie them want to pin the place, them want to crap out the place, them want to pin the people inside it. And I say I'm me the people them there. Me have to prove to my people them say bro, it's lie them people. I tell for me, you know. When the girl send the video, cause it's the girl send out the video with me and her in the bed and her on a show. Wanna see him one. All I want to see in the comments at that, but it's a man for true and it's a man. I really did want it for be a man. I really did want it for be a man. My business. But can me come out and I prove to him says not a man. I come out and I chat and vex. I move on a bum buckler, brother. Why don't want me be feel so bad, brother? Every day it's just a constant thing, bro. And it's all, bro, me just all a show him. Listen to Jaden this morning. Bro, his son will go to the end of the earth. Even that girl, bro. For just bring me down and me not do nothing, youth. A son will go to the end of the earth. You tell a lie. You make up all story to yourself. And believe it. Just to bring me down, dog. Bro, now remember, say me walking a road to you, brother. A man will kill me, bro. When them I hear them thing about me, bro, man will kill me. You don't know that, bro. So what the hell you don't want to put my life in a jeopardy and a tell lie for me for? Man will kill you for them thing there. So why you don't want to put me in it? Me not even trouble, you know, bro. Bro, you know what violation me get? I'm going to hold it, brother. Every day I lie, I'm going to hold it, brother. Jaden, you say girl, I put you against me, bro. I remember my reason and I said, bro, don't watch them thing there. You say she a put you against me. Bro, you as a man where people bring down to youth. You know if you look upon her and say to her, say dog as a dog. Say bro, just looking at it, you know, bro. You have to look upon her as a dog and say to her, say, yo, you know, say the youth not diss me. And this way you do, for bring down the youth a fuckery. Bro, you have to remember where you come from, you know, bro. Remember people used to bring you down before you're there on top, you know, dog. You have to tell them before it goes so further. Before everybody start have me as this big body man. You should have tell her, say, my girl, what kind of quest you depend for bring down this a youth here? All you know a lie, then still a do it. Bro, when you not like for yourself, when you not do it to people, bro. Me not do them thing there to people, bro. Till you have to look pan her and I say, bro, you know, say, my sister a lie, I tell pan the youth. Charge you all with the over here to make something, bro. Everybody. Sometimes we have to open my eye. Remember that girl have a son. You see what I say? Remember them people have a son, brother. And them know deep down say all what them a do a lie, them a tell for me, bro. And them portray it. Bro, when you look at the girl in the comments, on youth in the comments, them a beat me in a dog. And end up on bombard through and not take time out for look where people them a do, you know. You just see things them and cause you not like me or cause you not like Rose. You just believe them, brother. And you not even a pray and I say so much thing that youth are young, you know. So how much story this depend this a youth here? You not looking at them thing and say all of them thing are just some makeup thing, bro. And because of the people with dep on top of talk it, bro. That's why. Bro, me not fast with nobody, me not trouble nobody. The person, when me the person them, the ladies them, when me show them picture, I'm truly sorry. I never mean to get to involved. It's just a thing where me cup over full. And bro, because I not even one person alone a link me, bro. I'm more than one person a link me about it. Say, yo, Ray, remember me big on the internet and yo, me sorry. But me just tired of them people here, bro, every day. Them just beat me every day, bro. Cause the ladies them move on, them have them different relationship and them thing there. And when me say, I fake it because a whole heap of people call me. They have said nothing, I'm sorry. But me no want nobody tell no lie upon me, bro. You see what me I say? And me swear upon my life again, God broke my neck off a green tree. I've never tell a lie on a female over here yet. I've never, and bro, if you not bring down the female, me not go post nothing. But if you talk, I shall send you the proof in your DM. For sure yourself, you shut your mouth where you don't know, brother. Me not go post nothing or put up nothing for raid the female. But me I go shut your mouth. Me I go say it and me shall send you. I want to think me a waste man over here, brother. When you think me a waste man, bro, or feel like me I know I same thing, brother. No, me will send him, bro, because I must say a lie. Me I tell me my man come out big and brawling for him like, I be the lie them tell you just know the girl. And bro, me no business. If you're willing to add me anytime with the people, if you say a lie me I tell, you can add me, brother, come in and run from my screen. So me no know way over there, say, brother. Charge you some money, I say, oh no, bro. I come and talk and reason about nothing and come clear up my name about nothing. I come and not seek no validation from no, brother. You see it, so see it there. See me show you, say everything where Shay and TikTok lie and the whole of them make up over there. Now me show you, say I lie them did I tell. Whoa, no, I go say no. Now me show you, say is lie them did I tell for me. I tired, me tired. Ladies, bro, all one girl, baby father call me. The man call me and him tell me how me a batty man and pussy me I go dead and me have to send him up back on their mother. Come on, I say, bro, if you show my baby mother, cost me. So it affect the girl in life. Me not tell them no lie, it affect the girl in. That's why me never wanted to do it. But you see, every time when I take one of my picture them and pinpoint me somewhere say I did so me there with man, me did happy show uno, and if me never show uno no face, uno would have say our man. And that's why me did a hold back so long. If me never show uno no face, and me did a try hide out if you don't say a man. Me tired of uno dog. Uno no know nothing about me. Me tell uno say from morning me never hide it. Me spend money for a woman and me spoil woman. Me can't help myself. And so me stay. If me have it, me I go spend it. So when you see them transaction there, me give you all money, brother. So that's why uno contact she buy her ticket every time she come here, she buy me ticket. Me no wait for woman for do nothing for me, my youth. Me spend me money for a woman. You see, for as long as me and her, they have any girl when me ever talk to. Ask any girl when me ever talk to. I be money me dash pan them. Me no know money and my love language. What you want for your birthday? Me can't ever find a sensible gift. Money. What you want for your Valentine's Day? Money. That's me, bro. It's just me that. When uno dede, when me have all a side girl and uno dede, I text her, send her a long paragraph about birthday. Me no do them sitting there. Happy birthday, hon. And me send her, me say, when she send me or something, I just send her the transaction. I say, alright, me send that to your PayPal or me send that to your Cash App or me send that to your account. Happy birthday, hon. And me send a picture with it. Happy birthday, hon. That's it. Me no write long paragraph. Me no do them thing there, bro. Yes, what me I say? And money and my love language, bro. And me have it, me I go spend it. Ask any girl when me ever talk to that. Say, so you know going on a girl chat and you see money. Spend money for a woman, sirs. Alright? Yes. What happy like them, I think. I don't know what I say to man, say, bro. Every day you know this fish allegation, brother. You don't know nothing about me, my youth. I tell you, bro. I just normal out and they charge you. I just do my thing, bro. A long time I force like a rabbit, bro. I just not come hype on people, bro. You see what I say? A long time, bro. I just not hype and I just not vice, bro. You see it, since you say a lie, me I tell Paul. You realize I call people name. So when them a contact, them can tell you say I saw you go. Me not tell lie for a woman, and me not tell lie for people, charging. That me I tell you, bro. And this I only day you can get me come say nothing, bro. Me will never say about nothing to you. So you come beat me and come with all I want come with and cuss me go and cuss me come. Me not answering uno anymore, bro. Me not make no drain me energy, bro. You see it? Ladies, again, look for me and me I tell this. I truly apologize for my cause. Yeah, so me I say no disruption in our life or nothing. This just been getting to me day back a day. Me see you all text me and I say me never have to prove nothing to nobody. But them dey for me name every day. And these are the things we share on TikTok like come out with, make it people them post out and believe say yo yeah, Hakeem and Dede so fly out with man, Hakeem and Dede so fly out with this. And months them a do me it, I'm a hold it. Even the person Ray, me text her about 3 months ago. I tell her say yo, tell your nigga to leave me the fuck alone, cause every minute he ma come for me. Me and the man dey panel one ball field what day you play a ball, brother. Tell the man fellow me no me and the man nah nothing. The man does ever try this off for me dog. And hold it more of them. Bumbo clock charging. Every bum buckler, yes, a dog. Every day. Me did have to apologize to your girl, bro. You see, because she texts me one paragraph and I say, look what me cause. I mean, no, them are going to beat her feet. You over here play a voice note like me, Ray, and I tell you, look how big waist people them to know. Them fool, you look at crosses people them, oh, yeah, bossy. You see them fucking idiot here. You never hear me come talk about nothing yet. And the one time me I come talk about something, me I go come over here and tell lie. Me look like idiot to you. Me could have show a picture if me I tell lie. Fucking idiot. Yo, that's why I'm telling you, no lie me in you. Cause everything what people say, no believe them in a bro. When me say to no believe me in a youth. And that's why I know you don't like me in a youth. You look like me, I come here and tell lie. Any girl come over here can contact and me give them money. Cause me come over here contact. Me not ram for give woman money. Me come over here contact that. Me come over here contact that. So no girl can come bring me down say, yeah man, I'm money this and money this and money. Me ever give woman money, all when they don't want it, me give her money. Me there so she give me all a good fuck and me see she all a go work a man and me just fling around 50 grand in her hand because she didn't even know say fuck what she give me last night. And I'm a woman who live in my house with me. So put that in your pocket, she didn't even know. I want to know you. You don't know nothing about me, youth. No live up off of my name charge. But that's what you know, dear boy, they can tell lie. I mean, never yet say nothing charge you because I not seek no validation charge. I never yet say nothing. I just hold my post and watch you hold on what this off for me. That's what I say. I hold my post, bro, and watch you hold on what this off for me, dog. I never say nothing once. You know why I never say nothing? I learn my lesson. You see it, what happened last time, bro, if I tell somebody if you leave me alone, then take it as a threat over here and say, yeah, Akeem want to put money upon him head, this and that. Look upon that, I tell you no, bro. I learn my lesson, bro. Me not bow the fucker, bro. And all my days I try keep a positive vibes like always. People always are come beat me down, bro. You see it? And the naysayer them wanna make story upon me, wanna sit down and plan. And bro, wanna have people when now go see this, we say feed them thing and still believe it in a youth. You have people when now go see some me come prove say I lie them and tell upon me, you know. You see what me I say? And still not go believe, brother. Because of the narrative on painting I people them head, brother. Enough time me that can say something and my supporter them say to me, say, bossy, low it. Right now my supporter them vex with me. Me I tell you, they never want me come say nothing. They vex with me, dog. That's why you know I see them a support me now. They vex with me, dog. Because they don't like see me so, brother. They don't like see me so. They always I try keep me from this, brother. Yes, what me I say? Every time me I vent them say, Akeem, Lord, that I focus and pray, brother. They ever try to keep my friend just say nothing, brother. Yes, when me I say every day on the forward and this off of me with some local waste allegation, bro. No, me show no. No, say all of what them saying, it's a lie. My way of me towel now, brother. Me wave me towel now, me come prove me point. Everything with them showing us me there with people, me showing us is a lie. I can't come off of me back here now. Come off of me back. Please. Me not trouble no now no. Me not trouble no man. Me not trouble no woman them. Leave me alone. Bro, me watch all, bro, me not even want to call nobody name, but me watch them build them story for me over here on live and believe it themselves, you know. Me watch them build them story over here and watch them believe it themselves, bro, till other people fall in a trap. Me I say, look how them a draw me and tell lie, brother, and they know say I lie them and tell. And I diss me up on the live, you know. All me I tell you now, all of you woman where diss me, remember I have a son. I remember some of the son just born, and I know the future is him yet. Him not get big like me yet, here. So I say all I wanna do people pick me and people's son. Remember say karma is a bitch. You see what me I say? Remember karma is a bitch, bro. And remember say it's same way on deal with people pick me and so some people are gonna deal back with phone one. You see it? The same way on tell lie and people pick me. The same way people are gonna tell lie and pick me, here. Anytime you know I dig a hole, you know dig two. That's all me can tell you. Here? Anytime you know I dig a hole, you know dig two of that bumbo cloth there. Remember you have pick me. Someone who didn't care about you pick me. Me no do nothing. Nothing me no do no. Me never come here come cuss no. Me never come here say Hakeem say me never try bring you down. Me always a big one up. No ever tear me down, youth. When you ever come tell lie for me, bro. Ever. Me never yet charge it. Never yet tear down. No. Me still not tear you down. And no matter how you tear me down, you say, oh, as woman, me not tear you down. Because me love you, fuck. Me would diss some boy over here and tell him go walk up in a them big pussy mother because me not like them. But me nah diss no woman because me love you, fuck. I'm going to watch someone tear me down and tell lie for me, bro. The respect and love for me on phone, bro. I'm watching over here tear me down and tell lie for me, bro. I mean, never do nothing you would. Fuck, do not charge it.
One rose and lead.
Is she? 9 rows, guys.
Chat 9 rows. Soulmates, I think I eat it soulmates. I see what you did there, you know.
She shaped like one umbrella.
I tell the girl shape good.
You can suck me like that. Time to go bed and eat something. It hurt me now. Catch your speed, guys. All I get that I'm in the live 7 hours.
No, man, I just panic. Say, man, once I get restriction for 7 days. I text me, have a text TikTok itself, contact one agent, and tell them, say, me have 6 pitney. Ask the people, they can meet up on live, me do it on backup page. Tell them, me have 6 pitney, me feed daily. And there's nothing on the recording that shows where I did something. And then say, them, I will investigate it and then come back to me.
Double, chopper gloves. Drop your gloves. Lisa, drop your gloves. Lisa, come on, chat. Come on, chat. We can't do this. Lisa, drop your gloves. Everybody, use it times 2. Lisa, drop your gloves, guys. Use it double. Asia, thank you, baby. Use it double, team.
Thank you, baby.
I don't know, chat. We can chat double. You know.
Lisa, look in here, Jess, I see gloves in her top jar.
One night time she at the club, and I wind up on Jakes.